Hi, everybody, and welcome to Burping After Dinner. I am here today to do some more burping. And warning to anyone who doesn't like burping videos, why are you watching them? Why are you subscribed to the channel? I don't know, but this is about to be intense burping. So if you do not want to hear burping, do not torture yourself. Get out of the video, unsubscribe to the channel, don't watch these videos no more if you do not like them, okay? Okie dokie smoky, thank you so much for watching. To all my supporters and subscribers, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, make sure you leave your comments down below, make sure you continue to come back for another video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. It's very important that you turn on the notification bell when you subscribe to the channel. That way, when I upload a video, you will be notified and you don't have to wonder if I've been uploading. It'll let you know as soon as you press the notification bell, okay? I am burping into my microphone today, so the sounds may get a little intense. If you want to listen on your mic, on your headsets, you can, but I don't know if that's good to do, because this gonna get loud. If you do listen on your headsets, turn them down if you need to, okay? Whew, that was a loud one. Whew, that was a loud one. Whew, that was a loud one. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. Don't forget to press the subscribe button if you like videos like this and you want to see more. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so the next time I upload a video you will be alerted. And don't forget to come back and watch another video. Thank you for watching. Bye now.